What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So the Google Pixel Fold has finally made it here. So I picked up the Google Pixel Fold. I got the 256 gigabytes of storage one. And this has 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is running the Google Tensor chip G2. Also, they gave me a free watch, the Google Pixel Watch LTE. Didn't have to pay anything for this. It was free, so a great deal right there, and I'll unbox this later. But today, I'm going to concentrate on the Google Pixel Fold. Now, I am a folding phone person now, guy. Ever since I've had my Z Fold devices, I kind of fell in love with those. Now, I traded in my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so I have been missing the folding device. So I'm glad this has finally arrived and looking forward to using it. Here's the packaging that it comes in, as you guys see there. Team Pixel on the back side of it here. And so let's go ahead and get into this, man. Got some nice little pull tabs right there. Make it easy to get into it. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Anticipation. So wow. Initial thoughts, it is a whole lot smaller than what I would think it would be. But here it is. We're going to put that to the side and see what we got else in the box. What else is in here? So we got some instructions here on how to care for the screen on here. Get that out of the way, guys. Right there. Give me some tips. And then we're going to have some paperwork here, and then we get a USB-C cable with a USB-A to USB-C dongle. So that's pretty much it, all in the box. We're not gonna even worry about that stuff there. We're gonna go ahead and get the phone unwrapped. So here's the phone. Let's see. I kind of like to keep this stuff intact. Don't like tearing it up too much, because when you resell it, sometimes the seller will get the same experience you got as when you unbox it. So if you keep it intact, that's how I like to do anyway. But here it is. So this is small, man. Let's go ahead and get that out. This is so small and tiny. Here it is. And like I've been hearing on other people unboxings, it is very, very thin. It's not very thick. So let's go over a few more of the specs here. So this is a 5.8-inch display, 1080 by 2092 pixels, 408 ppi, 1200 nits, up to 1500 peak. So that's going to be pretty good. This is Gorilla Glass Victus. Has an aluminum frame going around it. So aluminum frame going around here. Let's take a look at it. There are the cameras. So the cameras on the outside, you got a 48 megapixel f.17, that's a wide. Got a 10 megapixel f3.1 telephoto, and you got a 10.8 megapixel ultra wide. You can shoot 4K at 60. So the front facing camera is going to be an 8 megapixel 2.0 4K at 60. Gonna have stereo speakers. You got a 48 21 milliamp hour battery, and this is the Obsidian color, like I said, and also comes in porcelain as well. So let's go around it. You got your mic, speaker right there, some antenna lines, and then on the bottom you're going to have your charging port, your speaker. These may be noise canceling. This is where your SIM card go, and there's another mic right there. You get your fingerprints / power button, volume up and down. So very nice. I do like this color. It's kind of matte back here. Doesn't seem like it's gonna hold a lot of fingerprints. And then you got your logo there. So I'm not sure if this is black. My lighting is not, I can't see it real well. So let's go ahead and open this up. And inside of it, this is where we're gonna get the 7.6-inch 1840 by 2208 pixels. It's going to be 378 ppi. And I think this is plastic. I may be wrong. Then you got your camera in here. Gonna have to find out what megapixel this camera is here, but very thin, as you guys see. Very nice, man. Feels very nice in the hand. And some people saying that it won't fold flat or open up flat, and I do see that. Let's put it down. There's a little wobble there, but not bad. Let's go ahead and power this up, man. See if it has any power, and there it is. So I'm gonna come back. Once I get my information in, I'll come back. That's your hole punch right there for your camera. But I'll come back after I get it set up. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have logged into my Google account, and this is the home page right here. Let's go ahead and go to the lock screen. As you guys see, here's the lock screen. This is the wallpaper out of the box here. Fingerprint sensor is very fast, as you guys see. So you're gonna have your Google Play Store, Gmail, Photos, YouTube, and it's telling me to swipe up. And this is some of the apps that are on here already. So you got your photos, contacts, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome. Let's go back here. You got Chrome, clock, contacts, docs, drive, files, Gmail, Google, Google One, Google TV, home, keep notes. You know, you guys can see everything on there right there. And so that is what's all included on here. So let's go ahead and open this up too. So feels good in the hand. There's a little sharp area right there. But this outside display is definitely a whole lot better to me. It's a lot more usable than on the Samsung Galaxy phone. As you guys see, the keyboard is a whole lot wider there, so it'd be a lot more comfortable typing on this. So just feels good, man. It's not too wide. As you guys see, very easy to reach every part of the phone right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. So opening it up, we're gonna go ahead and close it up. Here's what your lock screen is gonna look like right here. Let's go to do that again. Lock screen. So it's asking me to finish setting up the device, but here it is. As you guys see, the fingerprint is very fast. People talking about the bezels on here. They're not too bad to me. Not too bad. So over here, you're gonna have your Google feed or whatever this is called now. And coming over, this is what you get. You get this big, nice 7.6-inch display here. I like the idea that it's not as tall as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So you got your dock area down here where your apps are right there. So you can go ahead and open something up right there. That's very nice the way they did that. And so far, just playing around with this is pretty fluid. So we're gonna go into the settings. And I wanna see just how much storage is out of the two being used out of the 256. So out of the 256, 17 gigabytes of storage is being used right there. So not too bad. The display, let's go in here. It's on dark theme out of the box. I didn't have to put it on dark. What am I looking for here? The smoothness is already set. The refresh rate is already set from 60 up to 120. By itself right there. That's already set. And then I want to go in here and see about the fold and see what update we're on here. All right, so we are on Android 13, April 5th, 2023, Android system update. And that is it right there. So it's pretty much up to date out of the box. You guys see, that's one of the wallpapers there. Let's go and see what type of wallpapers they have in here. It looks like it's giving me a little tutorial there. So we go to change wallpapers and get an idea to see some of the wallpapers. There's a couple of them there. Here's some more. Now these look like some of the previous wallpapers here. Those are live wallpapers. And then of course with Google, you're gonna have a bunch of different wallpapers you can choose from right here. The one that's currently on here, this is what came out of the box right there. So very nice. The hinge feels very nice. You can set it in any position here. Very, very nice and sturdy there. and the camera bump sticks out just a little bit there, guys, but this is very, very nice feeling in the hand. Very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at it against the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So the Google Pixel 7 Pro is definitely a longer device, as you guys see. There's the thickness there. So actually, this is not too much thicker than the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And there's your cameras on the back of it there, right there. So let's go ahead and look at it against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Get the case off of that. So there are the two colors together there. This is supposed to be space gray. This is Obsidian black. You guys see that? The iPhone is definitely taller than this device is here. You guys see? And then let's do one more. Let's go ahead and take a look at it against the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I got that lime color. There's the lime. So all of these phones are definitely taller than this device is. And then here we are here. There's the displays next to each other there. Right there. So I got one more device I want you guys to see this up against, and that's going to be my little iPad mini. Let me get it. So here it is against the iPad mini. So if you turn this way, there are the two together there. You guys can see that iPad mini is just a little bit wider than this. So you're going to get pretty much the same type of content size if you're looking at movies and stuff like that. But iPad is going to be a little bit bigger if you have that. But here it is. The Google Pixel Fold is in the house, man. I'm excited to use this. I'm definitely going to do a follow-up on this when I get a chance. And check it out, man. So Google Pixel Fold in the house. My first impressions, very nice. Catch you guys later. Will H, I'm out.